Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your HealthFirst insurance portal, online setup guide step by step clearly. To register your HealthFirst insurance portal, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official HealthFirst website URL and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the login option typically located in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. From the drop-down menu, select Create an account or Register. You will be redirected to the registration page. Here, enter your personal information as requested, including your name, date of birth, and email address. Make sure to use a valid email address as this will be used for account verification. Next, create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. After filling in the required fields, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. You may also need to complete a CAPTCHA for security purposes. Once all information is entered correctly, click the Submit button. An email will be sent to the address you provided for verification. Open your email inbox and locate the email from HealthFirst. Click on the verification link within the email to confirm your account. After verification, return to the HealthFirst login page. Enter your email and password to access your new account. You have now successfully registered for your HealthFirst insurance portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.